the driveway. I hear you by the front door. I hear you cooking in the kitchen as you gently walk across the floor. Is that you brewing coffee? The aroma wakes me from my sleep. I wonder what you'll be doing this morning, but then I remember you've been gone all this week. Am I just going crazy? Or all these sounds just in my head? 'Cause last night I even heard you whisper in my ear, lying in bed. So if you ask me if I missed you, I guess the simple answer is yes. Since all the sounds I hear in a home, it seems like you never left. I swear I hear you on the phone, talking to your sister and your friends. But then I realize it's the air conditioner adjusting to that Florida heat again. Am I just going crazy? Are all these sounds just in my head? 'Cause last night I even heard you whisper in my ear, lying in bed. Whisper in my ear, I love you, lying in bed. Whisper in my ear, I love you, lying in bed.